Hey peeps. So I came out on my back porch to do my daily inspirational message, and what do I have here in my porch? God's creatures. These little birds that are flying around in my screened-in porch. How did they get in here? I am not quite sure. Again, it's it's all these little miracles and hints about just being humble. This is so funny. And they're not even like coming at me or anything. They're just hanging out like, can you come open the door for us? However, I am a little bit nervous about going to open the door. I mean, I don't want them to fly at me. Oh, they went down to the ground, almost like they're saying, like, we won't attack you, but can you open the door and let us out? I guess it's worth a try. See what happens. Okay, guys. Gazda would totally be not scared about doing this. I want to open the door for you guys. Ah! I think I'm going to go around from the outside. Even though I should be trusting God that He's not going to let the birds get me. This is so awesome, but it's a little intimidating at the same time. I've never experienced this in all the years that we've lived here. We've never had birds in our screened-in porch. If God isn't always amazing. Oh, look at them. They're going to the other side so that I can open the door for them. How amazing is this? I know you guys are listening and watching this right now. So because I was scared to come over here while they were on the door, they moved to the other side. Here I go. I open the screen door. Ouch! Totally just ran into the counter. And let's see if they go. Come on, little birdies. You're free. I'm gonna go on this side so we can see them go out. Beautiful! How amazing! That was truly pretty awesome. Always find the positive in everything you experience daily. That's my words of wisdom for today. Amen.